Here's a Holmes ceramic heater. This is either HCH 4063 or 4163, 1500 watts. Complete with the box and the instructions and all the paperwork. I'm not really a big proponent of keeping the box or anything like that. And the paperwork I really don't care much about. I mean, it's a heater. The box says Premier Ceramic, the safe and efficient heating technology, comfort control thermostat, adjustable swivel tilt base, 2 heat settings, 1000 and 1500 watts, 3-year limited warranty, auto safety shutoff. Sure it has that. Let's see. Infrared thermal photograph, more efficient heating, durable construction, blah blah blah. It's the best. This looks like the 4163, so I guess it's the higher model. Turns off heater in an overheat situation. Thermostat maintains selected comfort level. Go to our website. So I don't know how old it is. It's ceramic, like I said. The camera is giving a moire pattern. I don't know if you can see the element in there. Looks crooked to me for whatever reason. Metal case. Nothing more to really see here. Reset instructions. Put mode to off, thermostat to high, unplug, wait 10 minutes, plug in and turn on. Your tilt and swivel base right here. QC passed. The information is here. I don't think you're going to really be able to read that too well, but there you go. Hopefully there's a little shot of that you can pause on. The back of it is here. Your 2 knobs and the fan. The selector, fan, low, high, and the temperature, and it clicks. However, it does not work. Turn it to fan, nothing, no light. Thermostat up. Heat settings, absolutely dead. So we have to take it apart. The screws on this are a little deceptive. This has a number 1 bit at this end and a 2 at this end. And you see the 1 fits, but there's a little bit of looseness where the 2 fits securely. And almost no wobbliness. So we'll unplug it for your safety. And get the screwdriver in there and start taking the screws out and see. I've never taken one of these apart, nor do I know what I'm up against. I'm pretty sure this is going to involve a multimeter, probably sooner than later. 3 more screws on this side. So we'll take those out. Front comes off. I mean, the top comes off. The front gets loose. It kind of hangs. And it looks like, besides the dust, and it's not too horrible as of yet. Let's see in here. Just a little dirt, not too bad. Everything appears to be connected. I don't see anything obviously wrong. I mean, all the connections are certainly there and made. This one maybe is a little worse for wear, but other than that, not too bad. So chances are this had some sort of overheat condition that happened. I don't know if you can see the thermostat, the contacts on it. And as far as the wiring, it looks like we go in here for one lead, and the other one goes directly into the thermostat, into the switch rather. Well, that doesn't make for easy metering. Alright, well, I'm going to poke around for a bit and see what I can find. So far I got nothing. So it may be a bad switch or a bad power cord. Let me keep probing. Okay, I have not found anything reasonably wrong here. The only thing that I am seeing here is this item right here. And that may be the thermal fuse. And my guess is that went bad. It sure looks like one. But it's just totally dead. And when I meter across, you'll notice the meter is currently out of range. And when I touch across, oh, now it is reading. Interesting. It's reading that. I wonder if it'll just magically start working now that I sort of massaged it. It looks like a bimetallic strip. We'll just go to fan. Nope, still nothing. The thermostat is all the way up. Just poke at it. It was reading open circuit before, which is peculiar. And now suddenly it's not. Let me just retest that just for my own sake. Yeah, that's certainly reading. So I guess we're looking at a bad power cord or a bad switch, and the way this is done, this gray wire down in here, let's see, right here, goes directly into the switch. So there's like nothing to do there with it. It's hard to probe and touch and do anything, and it's just not an easy way to test this thing. Neutral is here, that goes into this black wire, which goes, or maybe that's the hot, I'm not sure. One lead goes to the indicator, which appears to be a neon bulb. And the black wire goes to the thermostat, which again certainly appears to work. I can see the contacts move. This is an interesting one. Well, let me keep poking around. We have a bad connection somewhere. Switch doesn't seem very happy at all. So we're definitely getting power. This is just on fan. The thermostat will control the fan. Weird. You see it kind of, the light sort of flicker? Yeah, it's a bad switch. That's what it is. Well, I don't know what can really be done about that, short of, you know, just wiring it up for always heat, you know, as an El Cheapo repair, because I have nothing else I can do. I'm not going to spend any money on it. We can try heat, maybe. Let's put the thermostat all the way down first. That's low. Yeah, it's getting warm. Let's get the watt meter out and give it a shot, see what it reads. Okay, here's the watt meter, courtesy of Michael Geggsno. This is fan only, 12.7 watts. Now on low heat, 150, and it's going to rise. 170, 180, 190, 200. I'm hearing like sizzling in that switch every now and again, and it just went out. Ooh. $400. $450. It's reading a maximum of 460 and now it's going down. We're at 451. Here's high. 630, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 700, 800, 9, 1,000, 1,100, 1,200, 1,300. It's getting hot where I'm standing. About 1360. Okay, we'll kill it. Ooh, it's burning. There is smoke coming out of it. Okay. Well, we now know what the trouble is for sure. I'm going to let this cool for a bit, and I'll see if I can take the knob off and remove the switch and see if anything can be done.